look what we've got. A donut and toppings in our special spot. Let's zoom in close and take a view. Our table of magic just for you. First comes the red, a sprinkle so bright, falling like magic, oh what a sight. Now comes the blue, twirling with cheer, onto the donut so crystal clear. Time for yellow, smooth and sweet, covering the donut, what a treat. Next is red frosting spreading around. Our donut's colors really astound. Sprinkles once more, a magical show, topping the donut.